होने पर खुशी व्यक्त की है। और ये ताज़ा तस्वीरें आप देख रहे हैं अब से कुछ देर पहले की, जहां प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी को
Allow me, on behalf of the grateful people, the people of the Cooperative Republic of Guyana and the government of the Cooperative Republic of Guyana, to thank Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji for his exceptional service to the global community. And I ask all of us to applaud him. The greatest test of any human being, the greatest test of any member of the human family, is to give of their very little when they are most in need. And Prime Minister Modi has fulfilled this test with distinction during the COVID-19 pandemic, when they gifted this region 500,000 vaccines, when India itself was rallying to meet their own needs. Here in Guyana, we were fortunate also to receive 80,000 of those vaccines. When many countries in the world told us we had to wait in a line, and not only wait in the line, but wait at the back of the line, India came forward and said, from the little we have, we will share with everyone in the line. And that is remarkable. Those are the stories that will shape the world that we also want. A world in which technology, in which innovation, in which digitization must not be used to widen the gap between and among countries. But these advancements that are made by humankind must be made to reduce the gap, reduce poverty, and bring the world closer together and not separate the world further apart. And India has been championing new technology, innovation. And Prime Minister Modi, only today, you reminded us in CARICOM that you are a member of this CARICOM family, and we want you to know we hold you as a member of this CARICOM family, and we hold India as a member of this CARICOM family. Today, it was a summit in CARICOM and India, and it was a bilateral meeting that was different. It was a meeting of minds. It was an exchange of ideas. And it was a commitment of helping each other to overcome challenges. Not competing with each other, but helping each other to overcome challenges. It is this type of thinking that will change the world, when we seek to help each other to overcome the many challenges that are before us. Guyana has benefited enormously from India. Our human capital, training through scholarships, military exchange program, concessional loans, grants, our first international stadium, investment from the Indian Exim Bank, cultural exchanges, support in our medical field. In every sphere of national development, we can point to physical, institutional, and systemic support from the government and people of India. And we salute you, Prime Minister Modi, and the people of India, and we thank you gratefully on behalf of all the people of Guyana and on behalf of the people of this beautiful region. Continue to lead, continue to be bold, continue to demonstrate the type of spine that is required in this very complex global environment. And know that in Guyana and in CARICOM, you will have the support to ensure that we all win and win together in the interests of the people of our countries. Thank you and God bless you.
Your Excellency, Rashtrapati Irfan Ali, Excellencies, विशिष्ट अतिथिगण, फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार। गयाना के सर्वोच्च पुरस्कार से सम्मानित किए जाने पर मैं मेरे मित्र राष्ट्रपति इरफान अली का हृदय से आभार व्यक्त करता हूं।
Your Excellency President Irfan Ali, Excellencies, distinguished guests, friends, Namaskar. I express my heartfelt gratitude to my friend President Irfan Ali for conferring upon me Guyana's highest award.
यह सम्मान केवल मेरा ही नहीं बल्कि भारत के 140 करोड़ लोगों का सम्मान है। यह हमारे संबंधों के प्रति आपकी गहरी प्रतिबद्धता का सजीव प्रमाण है, जो हमें हर क्षेत्र में आगे बढ़ने के लिए प्रेरित करता रहेगा।
This honor does not only belong to me, but also to 1.4 billion Indians. This is a living proof of your deep commitment towards our relations, which will continue to inspire us to move forward in every field.
फ्रेंड्स, भारत और गयाना के संबंध हमारे साझा इतिहास, सांस्कृतिक धरोहर और गहरे आपसी विश्वास पर आधारित है।
Friends, India-Guyana relations are based on our shared history, cultural heritage, and deep mutual trust.
इन संबंधों को अभूतपूर्व ऊंचाइयों तक ले जाने में राष्ट्रपति इरफान अली का निजी रूप से बहुत बड़ा योगदान रहा है। उनके नेतृत्व में हम हर दिशा में निरंतर आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। आज की चर्चाओं में भी मैंने भारत के लोगों के प्रति उनके स्नेह और आदर को महसूस किया।
President Irfan Ali has personally contributed immensely in taking these relations to unprecedented heights. Under his leadership, we are continuously moving forward in every direction. Even in today's discussions, I felt his affection and respect for the people of India.
भारत भी गयाना के साथ हर क्षेत्र में कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर चलने के लिए तैयार है। दो डेमोक्रेसीज के रूप में हमारा सहयोग केवल द्विपक्षीय संबंधों के लिए नहीं बल्कि पूरे ग्लोबल साउथ के लिए महत्वपूर्ण है।
India is also ready to walk shoulder to shoulder with Guyana in every field. Our cooperation as two democracies is important not only for bilateral relations but also for the entire global south.
फ्रेंड्स, अनेक नदियां, झरना और झीलों से समृद्ध गयाना को लैंड ऑफ मैनी वाटर्स कहा जाता है।
Friends, Guyana, blessed with numerous rivers, waterfalls and lakes, is called the land of many waters.
जिस प्रकार से गयाना की नदियां यहाँ के लोगों की कल्चरल आइडेंटिटी का अभिन्न अंग रही है, उसी प्रकार भारत की गंगा, यमुना, ब्रह्मपुत्र जैसी महान नदियां हमारी प्राचीन सभ्यता का जन्मस्थल रही है। दोनों देशों में जल को सामाजिक और सांस्कृतिक गौरव का स्थान दिया गया है।
Just as the rivers of Guyana have been an integral part of the cultural identity of the people here, similarly, the great rivers of India like Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra have been the birthplace of our ancient civilization. Water has been given a place of social and cultural pride in both the countries.
भारत और गयाना की समानताओं के इस तरह के कई अनेक उदाहरण हैं जो हमारे ऐतिहासिक और सांस्कृतिक संबंधों को और भी गहरा करते हैं।
There are many such examples of similarities between India and Guyana, which further deepen our historical and cultural relations.
एक्सेलेंसी, आज आपके द्वारा दिए गए सम्मान को मैं भारत और गयाना के इन्हीं ऐतिहासिक संबंधों और हमारी अटूट मित्रता को समर्पित करता हूं। एक बार फिर आपका, राष्ट्रपति जी का, गयाना के नागरिकों का मैं हृदय से बहुत बहुत आभार व्यक्त करता हूं। धन्यवाद।
Excellency, I dedicate the honor bestowed upon me today to these very historical relations between India and Guyana and our unbreakable friendship. Once again, I wish to convey my heartfelt gratitude to you,